gon' make them 2 by 2.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I saw a lot of you really liked my drugstore makeup tutorial, so I thought I should do another one for you guys, but just do another brand, and the brand I've chosen today is NYX. Most of the products in this video will be from NYX and a few won't be, but I will mention the ones that are and the ones that are not. I hope you enjoy this video, and if you want to see how I got this look, keep on watching.
I know you messing with low lights. You know we run the show. She been single for her whole life. Even city girl, she call it whole life. I'ma put you in your whole life. Maybe you gon' leave her that whole life. You gon' leave the whole life.
First, we're gonna prime our face with the NYX Hydra Touch Primer. I really love this primer. I put this much, and I'm just gonna rub that on my face. So next I'm going in with my brows, and I cannot lie guys, I do not like the NYX eyebrow pencils. I just don't like the shades they have. No, it's just not for me personally. So I'll be using another drugstore brand, and this is the Barium Brow Wand pencil, and it comes with a gel side as well for those that like to use gel, and this is in the shade medium. This is what I use every day, so this is an alternative for you guys as well. So I'm just gonna fill in my eyebrows.
You feel brand new, feel brand new, feel brand new. Mama, put you in Jimmy Choo. Penthouse vibe, can you see the view? Mama, we gon' make them 2 by 2.
So now we're going to conceal our brows, and I'll be using the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Contour Concealer, and this is in the shade Mocha, and I'll be using this brush that I got from Amazon as well. So I'm just going to apply some under my brows and then use that amount to conceal.
Buzz it for me like, buzz it for me like, run, baby, boss it. Let me see you tell me again that's your cousin. You just gotta say you don't want my loving. You just gotta say we can change the topics. Body vibes, baby, tropics. Anything I do.
I think that's fine, and I'm just gonna add some more on the rest of my eyelids.
Fill my cup, say we have to wake up and eat and sleep. Say you know them boys wanna creep on me. Say you know them boys never seen money. So you know they want come and take a piece. Heard if you like come and sip on me. Good body girl want sip on body. Cause she know my vibe too smooth for country. Say my vibe too smooth for them please. Rock killy gon' pom pom, kitty gon' killy gon' killy gon' pom pom, silly gon' silly gon' silly pom pom pom, silly take follow gon' killy gon' pom pom, kitty gon' killy rock killy gon' pom pom, kitty gon' killy gon' pom pom, silly gon' silly gon' silly pom pom pom, silly take follow gon' killy gon' pom pom, kitty gon' killy. Buzz it for me like, buzz it for me.
So using my Real Techniques Deluxe Crease Brush, I'm going to blend that out. And next we're going to move on to foundation, my favourite bit. This is in the shade Walnut, and I think this foundation is amazing. It's very watery though sometimes. Ooh, like that. Using my wet beauty blender, I'm going to blend that out.
Buzz it for me like, buzz it for me like, buzz it for me like, buzz it for me like.
I'm just going to apply a bit on the forehead. So this is the foundation blended out, and I really love this. I think the match is mwah. Especially for a drugstore brand, this is amazing, and I love the full coverage as well. It's not too much as well, it doesn't feel too heavy. I love it. So next I'm going to highlight, and to do that I'll be using the same concealer I used to conceal my eyebrows. This is in the shade Mocha, and I'm gonna apply some on my chin, above my lip, under my eye, and on my nose. And using the same wet beauty blender, I'm gonna blend that out.
Them 2 by 2.
I'm just gonna add a bit more under my eyes. And I'm gonna blend that out.
Buzz it for me like, buzz it for me like, run, baby, boss it. Let me see you tell me again, that's your cousin. You just gotta say you don't want my loving. You just gotta say we can change the topics.
So this is the concealer blended out, and I love it so much. I love how it gives like a warm glow to my skin. So next I'm gonna set this concealer, and guys, I cannot lie, I don't like the setting powders. You know what, let me explain. Okay, the 2 setting powders I'm about to show you is the Can't Stop, Won't Stop NYX setting powder. The first one I'm going to show you is the light to medium. This is how it looks like. The next one I'm going to show you is the medium to dark. Now I'm going to show you what I set my face with every day. As you can see, this is very warm compared to these 2. The light to medium setting powder, I feel like it's too light for me. I don't like light setting powders. I like them a bit warm and just a bit like chestnutty but a bit bright, so it gives me that highlighted look but not too much. And I feel like their medium to dark is too dark. I feel like I could set my whole face with this, if you get what I mean. I feel like they should be an in-between setting powder like this. If you saw my last drugstore makeup tutorial, I used Everything Revolution and they had the in-between shade which was terracotta. So I was hoping NYX will have something like that, and they don't. It's just a personal preference. If you're okay with them setting powders, they work perfectly fine. They're just not for me. So I'm afraid I'm gonna actually have to use my everyday setting powder, and this is the Ben Nye Luxury powder in the shade Camel. So I'm just gonna dip my beauty blender in and set everywhere we concealed.
Tell me up from what you're missing in your life. Tell me straight up what you need in your life. If you can do it, then I can do it twice. Give me 2 minutes and let me change your life. Baby, let me see your attitude. You never seen it before, this ain't deja vu. We gon' make them 2 by 2. Take you to places there where you feel brand new, feel brand new.
I think I'm gonna add a bit more under my eyes.
And house vibe, can you see the view? Mama, we gon' make them 2 by 2.
Now that we've set the concealer, next we're gonna contour to bring some color back into our face. So today I'll be using the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop contour concealer again, but this time in the shade Deep Espresso. And I'm just going to apply some under my cheekbones. And using the Real Techniques Expert Face Brush, I'm going to blend that out.
Run, baby, boss it. Let me see you tell me again, that's your cousin. You just gotta say you don't want my loving. You just gotta say we can change the topics. Body vibes, baby, tropics. Anything I do, you see them and copy. I'm just tryna party and vibes all night long. I'm just tryna drink and fill my cup. Say we have to wake up and eat and sleep. Say you know them boys wanna creep on me. Say you know them boys never seen money. So you know they want come and take a piece. Heard if you like, come and sip on me. Good body girl want sit on body. Cause you know my vibe too smooth for country. Say my vibe too smooth for them please.
Using the same concealer, I'm just gonna contour my nose as well. To blend this out, I'll be using the Real Techniques Deluxe Crease Brush. And I'm just gonna drag the products down a bit and be blending at the same time.
Buzz it for me like buzz it for me like buzz it for buzz it for me like Gon' kill it, gon' kitty, gon' kill it, gon' kill it, gon' kill it, gon' kill it, gon' fill it, bam, kill it, then follow, gon' kill it, gon' kitty, gon' kill it, gon' kill it, gon' kitty, gon' kill it, gon' kill it, gon' kill it, gon' kill it, gon' fill it, bam.
So now that our contour's done, we're gonna move to bronzers, and I cannot lie guys, I did not like their bronzers. I just felt that the shade ranges will not really complement my skin. You know, there's certain shades that will just look like mud on your face, and I hate that. I like a kind of warm chocolate look, so yeah, just personal preference guys. I haven't tried it, so if anyone has tried it, leave a comment below and just give us a review, some tips. I don't know, but personally I just didn't like it. So what I'm going to use is another Drugstore brand. I'll be using the Revolution Glow matte bronzer. This is my absolute fave. I use this every day, and as you can see, the colour is just nice and warm and lovely. So I'll be using my Expert face brush. I'll be dipping some in, and we're going to apply that everywhere we contoured. Look at that. Mwah.
Tell me up from what you're missing in your life. Tell me straight up what you need in your life.
I like to drag it to my chin as well.
Then I can do it twice.
And a bit on my forehead.
Baby, let me see your attitude.
And on my nose contour as well.
We gon' make them 2x2. Take you to places that make you feel brand new. Feel brand new.
And now we're going to add some golden shimmer to our face, something I haven't done in years guys. I don't use highlights anymore, but you know what, for the sake of this video, and I really liked how this highlight looks, I'm going to be using the NYX High Glass Illuminating Powder in the shade Golden Hour. I think this looks so pretty. I just had to buy it even though I don't use this shit, so hopefully this turns out great, otherwise this whole look is ruined. So I'll be using my Expert face brush, and I'm gonna dip some in. Oh god, I'm gonna dip it twice, and I'm gonna put that right here on my cheekbones. And I like to smile when I apply it, well, when I used to apply it.
Run, baby, boss it. Let me see you tell me again that's your cousin. You just gotta say you don't want mine.
Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Oh, okay.
You see them and copy. I'm just trying to party and vibes all night long. I'm just trying to drink and feel.
Add a bit more.
Wake up and eat and sleep. They know them boys on a creep.
Oh, this is so cute. Wow, wow. Okay, so now I'm gonna add a tiny bit of the highlighter to my nose, and I'll be using the Instapot crease brush by Real Techniques. It's so tiny because, you know, I don't want too much going on there. I'm gonna add a little bit and apply this on the tip of my nose, and then down the middle as well. I'm gonna add a bit under my brow. I think I might add a bit to my eyelids as well, boy. I'm just freestyling right now. So now we're going back in with our eyes, and I'll be using the NYX Worth the Hype Volume Mascara. This is how it looks like. Just gonna apply some on. So now I'm gonna go and apply some lashes quickly. So now that my lashes are on, I'll be getting the NYX liquid eyeliner in the shade Black. This is how it looks like. And I'm just gonna apply some in the inner top corners of my eyes. Next, I'll be lining my waterline, and to do that, I'll be using the NYX Tame and Frame Tinted Brow Pomade. This is in the shade Black. This is how it looks like. And I'm going to use this angled brush just to line my waterline. I'm going to apply some. For some reason, the product doesn't want to come out, so I'll be using my everyday one, which is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade.
Let me see your attitude, seen it before, this ain't deja vu. We gon' make them 2x2 ticket to places there where you feel brand new, feel brand new, feel brand new. Mama, put you in Jimmy Choo, penthouse vibe, can you see the view? Mama.
So now we're going to end it off with our lips, and I'm going back in again with my Barium brow wand, and I'm just going to use this to line my lips. Now we're going to add a bit of colour to our lips using the NYX Butter Gloss. This is in the shade Fortune Cookie. I've heard so much good things about this lip gloss. I haven't tried it yet, so I'm excited. Apply some on.
Run, baby, boss it. Let me see you tell me again, that's your cousin. You just gotta say you don't want my loving. You just gotta say we can change the topics. Body vibes, baby, tropics. Anything I do, you see them and copy.
So to add a bit more gloss to that, we're going to be using the NYX Plumping Lip Gloss. And this is just a clear lip gloss. And I'm going to apply some on top.
Never seen money, so you know they want come and take a piece. Heard if you like, come and sip on me.
What I'm going to do is add the Fortune Cookie on top because the colour's gone.
Say my vibe too smooth for them, please.
Ooh, girl. Okay, so to set our face, I'll be using the NYX Dewy Finish Spray. This is how it looks like. And I'm just going to shake that and spray that on. Guys, this is my finished look. Ooh, I really like this look, I cannot lie. I love how the sun is working with me today. God knew I was going to film today. Thank you, Jesus, because oof. Guys, this is the end of my NYX makeup tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. I really like some of their products, especially the foundation, the contour concealers, and of course the highlight. That took me by surprise, okay? I love it. Obviously, I feel like some products do need a bit of work, but hey, that's drugstore products for you, you get what I mean? It's a hit or miss, and I feel like it all comes down to personal preferences as well. And I know you guys are looking at my edges the whole video, stop it, okay? Slay by Shan's Beauty, please, yeah, just go and check out her Instagram. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you want to see from me, and I hope you have a good day, guys. The more lighting each and every time, period.